People often ask me, how can I stand out on LinkedIn and showcase my work effectively? My answer is, use the featured section. It's a game changer. The featured section is like your personal portfolio on LinkedIn, allowing you to highlight key content such as top performing posts, insightful articles, case studies, or links to your projects or website. It is the perfect way to visually demonstrate your expertise. To add the content, go to your LinkedIn profile, scroll to the featured section and click the plus icon and select post, article, media or links. Keep this section updated with your most impressive and relevant work. Using the featured section builds credibility, attracts lead and keep visitors engaged. If you're not using it, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to stand out. Start optimizing your featured section today, and if you need help, let's get it working for you. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tips.